Hello viewers, my name is Sasidhar and this is my first ever YouTube tutorial video. Uh, I am starting a data structure playlist using Java. So this is my first video. They say big things have a small beginning. So I chose this simple but beautiful concept called linear search. So first of all, what is linear search? It's a searching technique we use in programming. What is linear? Linear means straight. Okay, so basically you have an array and you are given a key, search key. So the array of integers, in that array of integers you need to find the key. Is that key present in that array or not? This is all about that concept. Okay, so you have this video GIF playing over here. Okay, linear search. So there is an array of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 elements. Okay, 10 elements, and the search key is 33. You have 10 elements in this array and search key is 33. So how will you know that 33 is present in this array or not? So simply what will you do is you look for it, you compare the first element is 10. Is 10 equal to 33? No, you move forward. The second element is 14. Is 14 equal to 33? No, you go forward. Like that you traverse until you find 33 in that element. Okay, so one more thing you should keep in mind is, if the size of your array is 10, then the indexes will vary from 0 to 9, like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So those are 10 numbers. Okay, but you traverse from 0 to 9. Here you have one more example. You have an array of 9 elements. 9 elements: 10 50 30 70 80 60 20 90 40, and you have to find whether 20 is present in the linear this array or not. So we are following linear search technique. So linear search means you are going in a straight sequential manner. Okay, so first is at 0th place it's 10. So you compare, 10 is 10 equal to 20? No, you go forward, you go forward, you go forward, and at sixth index the element is 20 and you have found it. So you break the operation. So basically the algorithm yeah, I explained you about the process. The algorithm is you use a for loop. I am using a for loop, and inside that I declared an integer I as 0, and I will increment it up to the size of the array. Okay, so inside this for loop, so you will compare if the ith element of the array is equal to your key, which is provided to you, or not. If yes, you will return the index of the number which is found, and if no, you will return -1. Okay, so let's quickly get into the program. Okay, so here I hard coded the array. See, I'm assuming that you already know Java, how to like program in Java. So here's my package. I named it p1 linear, and my class name is linear search. Inside that we have this main method, and main method I hard coded and declared an array 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 and 90 100. Okay, but I didn't declare the size. Now I declare a scanner class object, scan, and I ask the user for the key. Enter the search key, and int key is equal to scan dot next integer. Once I scanned it, now how will I search the element in the array? I'll write a function, I'll write a method for that. Okay, inside the linear search class itself. Yeah, so public static int linear search, and I am passing arguments, two arguments. One is the array and second is the key. Okay, so here see linear search a comma key. A is this array and key we got from the user input. Okay, now I am writing this method linear search. Okay, int ar and int key. Inside this I told you the for loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than arr dot length. So this gives you the size of the array, the length of the array. So then I plus plus. So what are you doing here is first the I value is 0. Here our arrays length is 10. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 10, 10 to 100. This 10 size is 10, so it will traverse from 0 to 9 less than 10. Okay, so 0 to 9 it will traverse, and in each time it iterates in the loop, it will compare arr of I. That means the ith element of the array, is it equal to the key. If arri equals key, then return I. So what are we returning here? We are returning the index of that element. Okay, else we will return -1. Fine, outside the for loop, after the for loop is over and still we didn't find the element inside the array, then we will return -1. So here I called the function, and that returned me some value, and I'll print uh, the is found at index, this method. Okay, so this will return me something. So let's just run this. Okay, okay, yeah. So wait, I'll maximize it. Yeah, enter the key to search. So we have elements here 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100. So I need the element, suppose 50. Fine, I entered 50. So 50 is found at index 4. Let's just count. Okay, so 10 1 22 33 44. Oh, sorry. This starts from 0, right? I told you the array starts from 0. So 10, 0, 21, 32, 43, 54. Okay, it's at position 4. Fine. So let's just run again and enter a value which is not present in this array. Okay. Uh, yeah, so 55, it's not present in the array, we know. Is present at -1. We return -1 when the element is not found. See here. Okay, so that's why it's printing -1. This is all about the code. I hope you understood the code. I'll post this document in the description of the video, so you have the code. Don't just copy paste this code, you try that on your own. The logic is quite simple. I added that bit here, so you can read this and try on your own. That would help, and for your reference I gave the code in the document itself. Thank you. Like, share and comment. Okay, we'll be coming up with new videos on binary search, stack operations, queues, and bracket this, infix to postfix, and bracket balancing, parenthesis balancing. Sorry. Okay, thank you so much.